Welcome to the channel. In this video we will see how we can write a simple Python program to display whether the number entered by the user is an even number or an odd number. So how we can say that whether a number is even or odd. So what we do is we take the number and we divide this number by 2. So at that time we will get some remainder value. If this remainder is 0, then we say that this number is even number. If this remainder is a non-zero value, then we say that the number is odd number. For example, let us say we have the number 12. What we do is we take this number 12 and we divide it by 2. So it will be 2 6 are 12 and we get the remainder as 0. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that this 12 is even number. Similarly, let us say we have the number 17. So we divide it by 2, 2 8 is 16, and this time we get 1 as the remainder value. Since the remainder is a non-zero value, we can say that 17 is odd number. So here, the first thing that we do is we will ask the user to enter a positive number and then we will store that number in a variable. So in order to take the user input, we will use the input function. Here we can display a message to the user. So I'm gonna say enter a positive integer. After seeing this message, when the user is gonna enter that number, this input function will return that number in string form. So what we have to do, we have to convert the number which is in string form to number form. Here in this case, I will convert it to integer type by using this int function, and then we will store that in a variable, let us say number. Okay. So now the next thing that we have to do is we have to find out the remainder value when we divide the value present in this number variable by 2. How we can do that? In almost all programming languages, we have an operator available called as modulus operator, which is denoted by this percentage symbol, and this operator is used to get the remainder value when we divide a number by another number. So here in this case, what we want to do is we want to divide the value present in this number variable by 2 and we want the remainder value. So here we will perform number modulus operator and then 2. I will use the parentheses to group this calculation. So this modulus operator now will return the remainder value after dividing the value present in this number variable by 2. And we can store that remainder value in a variable and let us say remainder. So now what we can do is we can check whether this remainder value is 0 or not. So here we can use the if conditional statement. It will be if remainder variable contains a value which is equal to 0, then we can say that the number entered by the user is even number. So I will format the output using the f string, and here I'm gonna say I'm going to refer the number variable and then I'm going to say number is even. Now, if the remainder is a non-zero value, for that we will have the else part. Then it means that number is odd and we will display that message to the screen. I will copy this print and I will paste it in here and then I will say number is odd. So our program is done. Let's run this. Enter a positive integer. I will enter 8. 8 is even. And then we will run it one more time. And this time I will enter 17. And it says 17 is odd. Here the important thing is to understand about this modulus operator, which returns the remainder value when we divide a number by another number. So this is it guys for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. If you have anything to say, then write that in the comment box. For more tutorials like this, do subscribe to the channel.